sharing real life corporate stories with the world. In this video, I am going to explain you how the tricky things happened in performance management review. Okay, how the trickies happened in performance management reviews. Normally, in PMS review, the employee will be there and his boss will be there, and company will keep one facilitator so that boss will not corner the employee when he asks the questions. If boss is asking different or difficult questions, then facilitator's duty is to make the understand to employee. Okay, so facilitator plays facilitation role. Okay, now if the facilitator is not with good terms with employee, normally facilitator will be HR manager, HR director, HR head. If HR head doesn't have good terms with the employee, how we twist the comments? Let me explain first. In this case, HR is very favor to employee. Okay, how he favors him. Okay, now boss is asking, you achieved 80% target, what happened? Employee is telling, sir, not supplied, no stock. So what happened? This thing, that thing, many things, all explained. Okay, so while writing the comment, the facilitator will write in his page, after so many problems, after so many issues, after so many discussions, still the employee is able to achieve 80% of his target. It is really great achievement with all these problems. Okay, here facilitator favored the employee. Now case number 2, facilitator is not favor of employee. Again same question, 80% achieved, what is the reason? Employee said no stock, sir. Employee said this thing, that thing, many things happened. Then the facilitator will write, after so much discussion with his boss, and his boss has provided enough facilities, enough arrangements for him, after all the things, the employee could achieve only 80%. If employee would have followed up very well, would have followed the regular instructions of boss, he would have achieved 110%. You understand how they twist the word in PMS? It is my personal experience that I tried to do with me. Then I went with 5 pages of data. I justified. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please share, comment, subscribe. I will be posting a lot of practical stories. Thank you very much.